Hey everybody, welcome to March Madness Day 3. I have Jeannie Franks with me, the lovely and talented Jeannie Franks. Today we're going to do, I think, one of the most difficult exercises in the mat series called the rollover. So I'm going to have Jeannie start with control from the very beginning. So let's come to the front of the mat, Jeannie. Cross one ankle over the other. Bring your arms into Jeannie position and lower yourself down to the mat with control. That's a hard part too. Okay, so go ahead and roll on down onto your back. Legs are straight, arms are down to your side. From here, I want Jeannie to lift your legs up. Okay, and so we're going to do that again. And the reason is I want you to really wrap here and scoop, and really no tension in the neck, okay? So just kind of lengthen the back of the neck, soften across the sternum, and we're going to bring everything in here. So float those legs up and pull in here, scoop. From here, Jeannie's going to begin rolling up, starting with her tailbone. So scoop, bring the legs up and over, articulate the spine, and tap the toes on the floor. Now she's going to open those legs apart, about shoulder width apart, flex the feet, and begin rolling back down. Again, one vertebra at a time. Good. Does it feel as good as it looks? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And so she's going to bring those legs down again, and this time circle down and around, and this time she's going to, that's awesome circling. And now we're going to do it a different way. So this time she's going to roll over with her legs apart first. So bring those legs apart, and again, wrap and scoop here. Float the legs up, pull in, good, and articulate the spine. Rolling up, 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 and over, 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 tapping, bringing the feet together, pointing those toes, and then rolling back. If you have a good friend, they might do this for you. Does that feel good? All right, so those were the two ways to do the rollover. You'll start by doing 3 the first way, starting with the legs together, and then you'll do the next 3 with the legs apart. So I hope that was clear. Happy March Madness Day 3. See you guys tomorrow.